guys, I would like to show you today how to transform text into realistic stone in Photoshop. Go to File, New, Resolution 300 dpi and background color white. Place the wall image into the canvas. You can drag corners to fit it in. To soften texture slightly, you can go Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set radius at 2.0 pixels. Create a gradient field adjustment layer. Pick those three color codes and then hold Alt and left click to split the color stop. You can set them at location 0, 50 and 100. Style linear, angle 90 degrees, scale 56%, align with layer checked. Set gradients layer blending mode to overlay and opacity to 49%. Now select type tool. I picked font Poppins Bold, but you can pick anything you like. I recommend Tryon Pro or IFL English. Color medium gray and text smoothing sharp. Then center your text. You can use Ctrl T to transform the text, resize it and align to the center. Go to blending options at the bottom and then pick bevel and emboss. Style inner bevel. Technique chisel hard. Depth 250%. Direction up. Size around 10 pixels. Soften 2 pixels, angle 120 degrees and global light checked. You can put altitude at 30 degrees as well. Highlight mode to screen. Opacity 75%. Shadow mode multiply. Opacity 85%. Pick the same color codes for highlight and shadow mode. Now don't close blending mode, just go to inner shadow and pick blend mode multiply, color dark gray, opacity 50%, angle 120 degrees, distance 5 pixels, choke 0 and size 8 pixels. Now last but not least, drop shadow, blend mode multiply, colors same color code as me, opacity 60%, angle 120, distance 10 pixel, spread 5%, size 15 pixels. Add stone texture to the text. You can now drag texture image to Photoshop, then place texture above the text, right click on it, create clipping mask, duplicate the stone texture, you can use for it Ctrl G and position it slightly differently for variation. Also you can use Ctrl and T for transformation. Create a new layer, Ctrl Shift N. Use a soft brush, same color as me, keep changing opacity and paint patches of moss around the text edges. Apply overlay blending mode, then create clipping mask. Then select filter, blur, Gaussian blur, 3 pixel for soften edges. Now create a new layer. Create clipping mask. If your layer is smart object, you need to right click on it and pick rasterize layer so you can paint on it. Then go B for brush. If your brushes has different colors, then you can reset them by clicking D. You can swap between them by clicking X and then pick white color to paint some light. Set blending mode to overlay, opacity 33%. Next step is to drag Ivy images to Photoshop. You can resize them by clicking Ctrl T and place them on your text. You can add layer mask and then use black brush to remove unwanted parts. After clicking Ctrl T, you can right click on it and pick Wrap tool and wrap it nicely around your letter. Then you can add layer mask again and again use black brush to remove unwanted parts. Next, drag lens image into Photoshop and change blending mode to screen. And opacity to 63%. Scroll down a little bit, then add dirt texture. Drag the image into Photoshop and place it above gradient layer. Then add cement texture and place it below your text. Again, add layer mask to cement texture and use black brush to remove unwanted parts. Click New Adjustment Layer and Hue and Saturation, and then create clipping mask. Tick Colorize, set Hue to 25, Saturation to 31, and Lightness to -1. Add final adjustments. Click Color Balance, then set shadows to -10, 5, -5. Just don't clip clipping mask, I did it by mistake. Optionally, you can paint cracks for that extra detail. You can use cracked brush like I did and black color, or you can manually paint tiny cracks on the edges of letters with a dark gray. Lower your opacity around 38%. Then adjust brightness to 10 and contrast to 15. Congrats, your project is done. Thank you for watching, guys.